animals or wildlife, and that like a police is like a head man of the village. So now we start the play. Okay.
Wow, the weather is very good today. I like this place. This is my home. My family lives here. Wow.
I heard about animals.
I really like this place. I want to live in this
hunting
place
now.
for long time. Wow, very nice.
Maybe good morning now. Yes, lucky now.
I'm a lecturer. I look after the prison area. So I heard the guns. Something like that. What are you doing here?
You're the animal. Yes. This is animal. Yes. Every day hunting.
You know, animal is protected now. Oh, I don't know. But my food. You cannot do like that. I have to take you to the villager. What is your village? He's in bird. In the prison area. So that's why can you explain to me what I don't want him to do it like he did like this again.
Yes, I never tell my people in the village, don't sorry anymore. I never tell her. Sorry, tell you that he said anymore. Yes, I think in okay, is you should protect the animal. You should animal hunting here.
Okay. So, I'm really sorry that next time we would like to listen the police or the regulation or the law. Yeah.
Right, so I have to take your gun, okay? Find the gun again.
Yeah.
That's all. Thank you.
Okay.